Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Drivers. And today in this video we are going to talk about sorting. So let's get started. So basically sorting is all about sorting your data in ascending or descending order as per your requirement. And we have multiple types of sort options available in Tableau. So we're going to explore those in today's video. So as you can see, I'm connected to the sample superstore dataset order sheet, and here is one chart which shows the sales of the sales on the basis of the subcategory. And if you see currently, this chart is not sorted. Like we have the sales of 167, 100,000, then 107, then 7119. So this is not sorted. The very first option for sorting which we have, or which we call it as the quick sort. Let's say if you go to your sales axis here, you can see three options there. You can see one options over there with a drop down option. When you click on this particular thing first, this will arrange your sales in descending order. You can see it is also showing you the tooltip sorted descending by sum of sales within subcategory. This chart has been sorted in descending of the sales. And if you click once again, then now it will be sorted in ascending order. And when you click again, sort will be clear. Very easy and very quick option. First click descending, second click ascending, third click will clear the sort. Once again, if I do first click, it will sort in descending order. You can see these bars also are coming in descending order. Then again it is coming in ascending order like this, then sort clear. This is your first type of sort, which is the quick sort. We have another option available for quick sort. Let's say I'll come to this particular tab, quick sort 2, and let's say I want to sort this subcategory instead of the sales. If I come on this particular axis, this subcategory is showing me A to Z. So currently it is displaying the subcategory in alphabetical orders A, B, C, D like this. But instead of A to Z, I want it in Z to A. So I click here, then it is coming in descending order with P, S, S like this. And if I click again here, so it is showing me in ascending order. So this is another quick sort option available here. And on the column or on the header, like here, this sorting is done on the subcategory. So you can see this bar option is also coming here in the subcategory option. So let's go to the another option, that is sort from toolbar. So as you can see, this is one chart and it is not sorted. But if you simply go and click here on these two options, this is ascending. This will arrange your sales in ascending order, or descending. This will arrange your sales in descending order. So this is one of the options available, which we say it as sort from toolbar. And last one is from the sorting from the fill. So let's say I want to arrange my subcategories. I'll want to sort my subcategory. So I'll go to this sort option. Before that, let me just check on it. So let's say I want to sort it here on the basis of the subcategory, and this we need to do from fields. So I'll go to this subcategory option which is there in row cell. I'll come here. So very first option it is showing me as data source order. The very first option, it will provide you the option to sort on the basis of the data source. As currently we have only one data source, so it is like it will not be beneficial for us to apply the data source. Only what it will do is, it's like arrange your subcategories in ascending or descending order. You can see right. So now move to the second one, which is alphabetical. Again, the same, Z to A or A to Z. Then on the basis of the field. So let's say I want to arrange my sales in descending order, but not on the basis of sales, but on the basis of the profit. On the basis of the profit sum, I want to arrange it in descending order. Okay, but if you see, profit is not here in the chart, and if you look at this visualization, you will say that it is not sorted. But yes, this is sorted on the basis of the profit field in descending order. Let's take a look how I'm saying this. This chart is sorted on the basis of the profit order in descending. What I'll do is just put the profit in red and sum of profit. So you see this for copier, the profit is 55618, and for phones 44516, then 413430262118, like this. So currently it is it has sorted the chart on the basis of the profit field in descending order. But instead of descending, let's say I want to do it as ascending. It is now showing me in ascending order. This is sort by field. Let's say instead of field, if I pick order count, where is order count? Quantity. Let's say if instead of this, I'll pick as quantity in descending order. I'll remove the profit from here. I'll put the quantity here: 5974, 5178, 3563, 3289. So this has been sorted in descending order on the basis of quantity. Now go to the another option for this. Now instead of field, manual. So you have these many subcategories, but instead of going the pre-available sorting options, I want to sort it on my own. Like I want to keep phones on the top, papers again. So I can do it. I'll just push it conditions here. So you can arrange the sequences on the basis of your requirement. So this option is known as the manual sort option. The last option here we have is nested sort. This feature was introduced from Tableau 2018.2 version. Let's say you have one parent field, that is category, and you have another field which is your child field or subcategory. And if you want to sort the sales based on parent category, that is this category, for every child field. In this scenario, we will use the nested sort. What happens is, let's say currently if I apply the sort based on category in descending order, I want to see the sales of every category in descending order. So let's say it is not working right now. And if I do the in ascending, it is also not working. What I'll do is I'll first clear the sort, then I'll create one calculated field which I've already created. Just one calculated field which is where I have concatenated two fields, that is category and this is your calculated field. I'll just keep this field here between category and subcategory. Now what I'll do is I'll just click on sort. I'll click on nested sort in descending order. Field name would be based on sales and aggregation would be. Now if you see, your sales for every parent category, that is category furniture, office supplies and sales, are now arranged in descending order. and currently it is not showing you the calculated field which we have created because I have unchecked the header here, and if I check the header here it will show you that, but I don't need that, so I'll just simply uncheck it. Now it is showing you in descending order. Let's say if I want this in ascending order, instead of descending I'll do this in ascending. So sales for every category is arranged in ascending order. This is all about the nested sort. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me.